Come to this Zeus cafe for breakfast. It has been terrible since morning. Today at Langkawi, we just came out. Now it's 11:20 in the morning, but you can see it's been raining on and off. Good morning. Today is 22nd October. And it's a Wednesday, the day after Diwali. I showed you it's been raining since morning. Today we were supposed to go to a sky deck, and there are a few other attractions that we are supposed to see. Finish our breakfast here, and then decide what to do next. It's quite windy outside also. It's not just raining, there are strong winds. We got the coffee juice, and we also ordered a croissant chicken cheese sandwich and a regular chicken cheese sandwich. Of the coffee, 1 cup of coffee is a regular size, but it's huge. So one would be more than enough for 2 people. So I don't think we'll open the other one right now. This was actually very tasty. It's loaded with cheese and chicken and mushroom. This was a sandwich. Just now got into a cab, and we are now heading towards the sky cab. There's a jetty and so many boats. How the cable cars are going. So we are now in the cable cab. These are actually sky cab. Just look at the view where we are going. It has rained. In fact, it's raining every often, so all the glasses are covered with rain water. You can see the sea in the background behind, and the mountain much higher compared to the one that we had boarded on the Genting Highlands. So you can see if you see the trees below, you will get to know we are at a quite a height, and you can see the sea. The good thing about this is you can actually get the view of the sea in the background, and you can see a waterfall. It may not be coming properly because of the water droplets getting defocused. There's a waterfall here. এখন কিছু অনেকটা এখন বৃষ্টি বন্ধ হয়ে গেছে। বৃষ্টি বন্ধ হয়ে গেছে। See the drop here. I mean, it looks like we are just dangling in mid-air. Just see the depth here, the height. We are way above the ground. I don't think I have boarded a cable car which is so high. Wherever we have boarded a cable car, I think our distance from the ground was not more than probably 30 to 40 meters, but this is way above the ground, and if you see, it's actually not coming here. If you see the ropeways in the distance, just see where is this going? It's actually going and dissipating into the clouds, which has covered the top of the mountain. This looks like a cap to the heaven. People with vertigo should think twice before boarding this sky cab. Another waterfall coming from the mountains. A very unique feeling. Never ever experienced. You can actually see the whole entire Langkawi from this height. We are slowly now entering into the clouds.
Clouds country. Clouds country sha. মেঘের দেশে ঢুকে গেলাম আমরা নিমো দিয়ে তারপর
So there is one more type of this cable cabs that you get with a glass floor. So you can only imagine the view you will get. So if you have that strong a heart, you can happily take one of those glass floor sky cabs. It's raining now. We are in the middle of the cloud and you can't see anything, completely covered with, surrounded by clouds. It's full white all around. Station is finally here. Nearly reached the top. It was just above the cloud level. It's fully misty and raining because it's cloudy here. Here you would have got a lovely panoramic view, but unfortunately it's fully cloudy, so you can't see anything. Eagle's Nest Skywalk, but you can see you can't see anything here. Eagle's Nest, Langkawi. We are on top of the sky bridge, but you can see it's completely white all around, so you don't get to see anything. Actually here right now on the sky walk, and the sky bridge is on the upper level. So to go to the upper level, to go to the sky bridge, but most probably it could be closed now because it's raining. There is a Sky Smart Cafe here, so if you want you can have something. Oh, sorry. This was the top level of the sky bridge, but we didn't. We got down from the sky cab, but we didn't go further up because the sky bridge is closed now because it's raining. So I think now we will go down to the base, and there are a few things to do there. It's actually shaking. The sky cab is shaking at times because of the gusty winds. The door is actually still open and we are about to get down, so I don't know. Yeah, it's closing. It is closed at the right time before we take the plunge. see the doors are closing at the very end moment before you take the plunge.
Welcome aboard the Langkawi Sky Cab, where every journey is a gateway to the wonders of our nestled within
This
our
ropeway is very
geopark
steep.
conservation areas. In the heart of
If you look at
Langkawi
it,
lies a
you can
hidden
see
gem,
like it's very steep.
Bunting Geopark. This sanctuary
So came down from the underneath the cloud level. So now it has become clear. দেখে মনে হচ্ছে ওই দিওয়ালিতে বাল্ব ঝোলায় ওরকম টুনি বাল্ব ঝোলানো সব।
হ্যাঁ এরকম করেই বলো বাংলা বলছো
বাংলায় বলবো
বাংলায় বল
কারণ বাংলায় ভালো লাগে নাকি?
বাংলায়
ইংলিশে তো সবাই বুঝতে পারবে, বাংলায় তো কম লোকে বুঝবে।
আরে হচ্ছে কি বাংলায় করে
ও তো বাংলা ব্লগ দেখে বেশি, ওই জন্য ওর ওটাই ভালো লাগে। The merchandise shop here. Once you get down from the sky cabs. Now we have come to the Sky Dome. So we had already purchased the tickets before. Now we are going to visit this 3D art museum in Malaysia. This is the largest 3D art museum. Started raining again. In this small shade. Inside a nice pond.
বাস এখানেই ঘোরার মতন, মাতৃতে ঘোরার মতন না।
So we are thinking to have something for lunch, though not much hungry, but we'll have it here. Nice little cute eatery joint. Our lunch has arrived.
This one, less spicy.
Okay,
Spicy.
sure. Thank you. Taste is very good. This plate of noodles costed us 13.9 Malaysian ringgit. Our lunch is over here. Slowly we will start heading towards the area where we can get the cab back to our hotel. Continuously raining now. Actually, it's heavily raining. Just boarded our cab from this Sky Cab place and now going towards our hotel, Chennai Plaza. It's completely now raining throughout. It's continuously raining since then when we were outside, and the rains have actually not stopped completely. So you can see it's raining, not hardly any people outside. The shops are closed. I don't think there'll be too many people today in the evening at the beach if it continues to rain like this. Pretty gloomy weather today. It's 8 o'clock in the evening. Now the rain has stopped, so we'll be going out and probably visit few shops and then have our dinner and come back. So it's a view from our hotel. It's all nicely lit up. All shops have opened now. There are people on the road. The rains have stopped. That's the best thing. So all the shops have opened as usual.
The night light.
Here's the beach. See, so many people have come down. The rains have stopped. Doesn't look like the weather will turn bad anymore.
হাওয়া নেই
Huh?
হাওয়া নেই
Hawa nahi. Where the fireworks, the fire displays were happening yesterday.
Spider-Man.
The performances were happening here. Today there is no one. So we just finished our dinner. Also had to buy a few things. So all done. So today is the last night in Langkawi and Malaysia. Tomorrow we are returning back to India. Our flight is around 11:15 in the morning. So we'll be doing an early checkout from the hotel probably by 8:30. So it's been a lovely trip since visiting Kuala Lumpur to start with and then coming to Langkawi. Though the last day today was little spoilt because of the continuous rain throughout the day. Otherwise has been a great trip. It was a very last moment plan because we were not sure of the holidays, but it's been a great vacation and we'll be back soon with our next trip. Till then, see you from Malaysia, Langkawi.
এটা ব্লক করো।
So we got here.
বলো, সবাইকে বলো যে my son
My son is holding the chocolate now. He wants to show the chocolate he has bought. So he is also wishing good night to all the viewers, and he's also looking forward to going back home. Now I think he's tired. It's been good 5-6 days of enjoyment for him in a new place. Bolo the good night. Good night, bolo the.